Oh my gosh, the new phone book truly is here. I got my bag back from China and it is amazing. And also I got another bag that was upcycled from my Trouse bag. It's all coming up. Don't go anywhere. Hey Ewans, it's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro. It's just this ho.
You bitch.
I am going to reveal to you my Neverfull. Remember the Neverfull that I washed? I may run a little shot of another video where I washed that over a year ago. What? I ruined it. Yeah, but it is very clean. That's good, but it needed new leather. And I'm going to show it to you now. Oh my gosh, are you guys excited? I can't wait. I can't wait. Ta-da! Here it is in all of its glory. Yeah. Brand new Vachetta. Let's take the... Oh my gosh! I've stuffed it a little bit with some plastic that it came wrapped in. But this is amazing. Smells like leather. You know why? Because it is. I say that all the time, but it's true. Okay. This bag was completely and utterly demolished. I washed it in the washer, as I'm known to do, and you know I love to do that. I love to do that to a bag. I enjoy washing anything really, but handbags is one of my passions, so putting the two together, it's a no-brainer really. But girl, yeah, it was real grimy inside, and yeah, I could have just turned it inside out and washed it by hand, but no. The laundry geek that I am wanted to wash it in the washer. Anyway, that all got ruined, as you can kind of see floating around if I put up the pictures. The way it goes, I really conditioned. I actually took my hands and rubbed it in, you know, just like Silence of the Lambs style. It rubs the lotion on its skin, like that, yeah. I totally went in like that because, as you can see, this was all broken up anyway. Completely demolished. First, I sent the bag to Louis Vuitton last year. For $100, they replaced this leather band. Okay, cool. But they wanted $1,000 to replace all the leather, and I just couldn't do it. I only had like $300 and something in the actual bag. This was a monogram bag, by the way, that came with the initials AK. I glittered it up and changed it to WB, which are my initials. I could not be happier with the outcome. But yeah, it was a little sad carrying around that old beat up Vachetta that was just literally breaking and falling apart. I'll show you. If you were wondering who transformed my bag and put all new Vachetta on it, it's Naomi of Naomi Crafted. I'm going to link her because you are going to want to do a project with Naomi. Whether it be a brand new bag, an upcycled bag, or fixing an existing bag and bringing it back to all its glory like I did. I also had her upcycle a bag. I'm going to reveal that bag to you. It looks like I bought it from Louis Vuitton. Just saying. But yeah, I ruined this bag. Ruined it. And you can see that from the broken places on the handles and the straps or whatever. I could have probably just been okay with carrying, you know, the orangey leather that it turned into. But this was the actual problem. This was all cracked and broken and just in pieces on the side like that, and that was a bridge too far. I couldn't do it. I really couldn't do it. I was just waiting for the minute for it to snap like that. Bam. And really mess up my whole day, so I couldn't live with it. So I sent this to Naomi. She did this transformation. I'm telling you right now, girl, this is amazing, amazing work. I have sent stuff to Louis Vuitton and had them replace leather and do other things to bags. Very costly it is, but also it is no better than this. Like seriously, they don't do a better job than she does. It is on par with the Louis Vuitton repairs. It really is. I'll just say it. This looks like a bag that I got from the boutique yesterday, if I'm being totally honest. And it smells like clean and fresh laundry inside, so I am so freaking tickled with the outcome. I am very happy that she was able to do this. The big question on everybody's mind is, how much did she charge you? Girl, you are not ready for this. You're not ready. $350, complete change of all the leather except for this in here where the zipper is. I didn't have her do that. She could have, but I was just like, nah, this is what everybody sees. This is what I want changed. And I am so tickled pink. Thank you, Naomi. Oh my God, she glazed it. It just looks so friggin' fantastic. Now, I just got it out of the packaging, so some of this leather is going to have to relax and, you know, as it will, but yeah, it was all folded up inside of the packaging when I got it, and that's okay. It's fine. It's fabulous. I just want you guys to be aware. Another possibility when you are having leather replaced on any bag, really, not just a Louis Vuitton bag, but Louis Vuitton is the one that I think of most because that's the most repairs that I've ever had done. Because y'all know Louis Vuitton is what I mess with all the time. So yes, I'm very excited. Oh my God, it looks so great. Even the new band, she was like, I wanted it all to match. So I just went ahead and did the band too. I was like, okay, girl, whatever. I mean, it's the exact same material. It's the exact same leather. It feels the same. It looks the same. It smells the same. It is the same. She's just a master seamstress, you know what I mean? She's just got this down. Handbags are her thing. When I show this one though that she made me, this is the last bag. Well, actually this is the last bag that she made for me. She's going to make some other little minis like this in the Hermes style, but this is the bolide that she made for me, and girl, when I tell you, it is amazing. Whenever I show this bag on a video, I get tons and tons of people asking who made it, where'd you get it? The great thing about Naomi, she has created a WhatsApp for us to get into, ask her about the bags. It's totally free to WhatsApp. You just have to join it. I'm going to put up the scan so you can actually go over to it. I'll also link everything to Naomi down below, girl. Get in there, ask her about a bag, show pictures. If you have a vision, we can all talk about it. If you want to side chat her, that's fine. If you want to get in touch with her through email, you can do that through her website. She is selling these tiny bolides like this, and I know you've seen them because Dawn, James, and Yota all unboxed one that is just a mini version of this big one that I have. Such great little bags, but yeah, the leather is amazing. The craftsmanship is just next level. So if you're interested in having an H creation like this, it's not got any branding or anything. None of that's gonna happen, but it is amazing. Anyway, I just wanted to show you just a few of the things that she has crafted for me over the years. And here's this bag that is my Birkin looking bag. Oh my gosh, girl. The amazingness that is this bag as well. I have it stuffed, obviously. But yeah, I have it all charmed out. Ah, so good. Just such great work she does at a fraction, and I mean a mere fraction of the cost that you would get with any of the design houses. I believe they call this the Calvi. Yep. I don't know if they call it the Duo, the Verso. I don't know. Versa. I'm not really sure anymore, guys, but I just know it's an Hermes looking item. I have one just like it made by Hermes, but I paid about $700 more than I could have gotten it from Naomi. So to say I'm excited is really an understatement today. Now don't go anywhere. I am going to show you a bag that I had her make out of an old Trouse bag that I had, and it is amazing. It looks exactly like I got it from Louis Vuitton. That's how good she does. But girl, I need to tell you, Mother's Day is coming up, I think, next weekend. Right. If you're watching this when I post this video, what about a great gift from Rose Forever New York? This is my last bouquet. This is last Mother's Day, okay? Looks like the day I got them. This is a year old, almost to the day, girl. Look at this. Fabulous. This is a huge one that I got in honor of my mother last year. Let me put that one down. But this one is a stunner. Look at the purple on this and the black box. They just, ooh, really contrast well. If you're looking for a gift for your mom, flowers and a card always hits, but get her flowers that she can have for a year or longer. That's the move this year, girl. That is the move. Wow somebody with Rose Forever. I don't care who it is. If you got a sister, aunt, uncle, cousin, father, mother, brother, whatever it is, your husband, your wife, get them The gift that keeps on giving for over a year, Rose Forever in New York. Listen, you don't have to water these. You don't put them out in the sunlight. You don't have to do anything but let them do their job, which is be amazing and beautiful in your home. Bringing the Lux Factor up in any room to 10, almost 11, girl. I don't know where that came from, but still. Amazing roses. Still smelling like roses because, you know, like I say, they are real roses. Go ahead and check it out. They're having a huge sale. I'm going to give you an even better discount. Just get down in my box. Go over. They're having that sale for Mother's Day. You want to get it. Get it now just in time for someone to open up and go, oh, what? Roses like I saw in that one girl's video? Yes! Yeah, you want that to happen. That is what you want the look on their face to be. Sheer enjoyment, excitement, and elation, girl. Rose Forever will do that for you. If you got somebody that you've already bought roses for, buy them some more because they need it. You need one in every room, right? But also, they have amazing candles. Huge, amazing, smell good candles that I cannot do without and will burn and burn and burn and burn forever. Like my undying love for you. And Rose Forever, New York. Thank you so much, guys. All right, I am just beyond words. I love, love, love. I want to get into the bag now, of course. I don't carry a Neverfull much, but maybe I should start. Okay, I have on a sweatshirt today. I'm shouldering my Neverfull, which used to never happen. That might be why I'm so turned off to them, but this is the PM, so it's gonna be tiny, but look how amazing it is. Girl, I'm just like, what? I'm stunned. Okay, let me show you another bag that she made, and this one is going to wow you even further. I know, you're not ready. How about, bam, a brand new Ivy bag from Naomi Crafted. Yes, this is an upcycled bag. I know you're going, no, it's not. You bought that. No, ma'am, I did not. Y'all know I'm not buying luxury right now, especially Louis Vuitton. But this bag right here ticks all the boxes. You see how happy I get to get a bag back that's already mine and to get a new bag that's been upcrafted from a bag that I used to have? Whew. It is new bag opening day around here, girl, and I miss it so much. But man, this is amazing. So there's no branding on the hardware, no stamping or anything. She's just going to craft your bag into something amazing. So definitely go on the WhatsApp that she created for us to get in and talk about handbags. I mean, we need one more outlet, right? And this is the one, girl. She can share all kinds of thoughts over there. You can share all your thoughts, all your dreams, all your handbag wishes. If you're interested in having something done, seriously, that is the way to get to Naomi the quickest. She will be answering all of our text messages that we get over on WhatsApp. But yeah, this bag right here. Ooh, and it comes with, y'all know I'm into the shouldering game. So it comes with one of those handy dandy, like you can pull it out further. Girl, I know about pulling it out further. It is Saturday. I'm all the way here for it. So you can make it into a longer shoulder strap, or you can tighten this bad boy up and do it like this. Or you can use the one that I've given you guys from Etsy and Amazon and eBay, those handy dandy straps that look like the Louis Vuitton ones but aren't actually, for a fraction of the cost. It's all about saving money, girl. But check it out. What? I'm blown away. I am beside myself with joy. Look at this. In reverse even? The peanut butter? Oh, wait. You gotta snap these. Sorry. Girl, wait now about a snapper. Okay. She's just losing it.
Control yourself.
Okay. Yes, we're locked in now. We are locked in. Wow. I love this. I really do. And I'll show you an actual and factual Ivy compared to the one that she made me. Yeah. Right? Holy crap. Look at this thing. It's the one, girl. It's the exact same size and everything because, man, she knows what she's doing. The stitching is actually even better on hers than it is on the Louis Vuitton one. If I'm being totally honest, because mine kind of rounds at the edges there. There's a little bitty, you know, rounding action going on. I don't know if you can see it, but hers, Just flat and amazing. Woo, woo, yes. Can you believe this was an old trouse bag that I've had forever? Actually, I gifted this trouse bag to Leanne. We had originally thought that Naomi was going to make us some charms, which she's going to. She just hasn't gotten them done yet. But she went ahead and made me this bag. This might be something that Leanne likes too. We'll share this one for sure. Girl, she even sent me a chain. Yes, the Ivy does come with a decorative chain that you can use as a shoulder or just to decorate your bag. So, I'm so excited. Period! Fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. God, it smells like Louis Vuitton. Oh yeah, because it's real Louis Vuitton canvas. I know, right? Don't waste any time, girl. Get over there. See what you can see at Naomi Crafted. She's got an Etsy shop. I will link everything down below. Use my name and get some kind of discount. Yeah, I think it's Winnie BLV. Will give you a pretty good, maybe a 10 or 20% discount. I'm not really sure. I haven't talked to her about it, but I think it's a 20%. So that's a really good deal. Also, you're going to get some money off if you go and check out my link for Rose Forever today. I'm just full of giving out the love and the links, girl. I just love a new handbag feeling. Look at I'm just excited and happy and just like, oh, like a kid in a candy store today. Like, new bag feeling. Yes, yes.
Daddy, chill.
Last looks. Ooh. Right. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Naomi. I mean, seriously, over $1,000. This was last year's quote too, so it maybe went up. I don't know. And I'll tell you, if you were to reach out to them right now and ask them about your own Neverfull to change all the leather on it, what would they quote it for? It's gonna be a different number than what I got quoted. I mean, that's how they work. It's just every instance is different. I don't know how they price things out over there, but yeah, it was gonna be $1,000 to replace the leather after I'd already spent $100 on this band. Yeah, girl. So $1,100 plus, who knows? $350. I got all new Vachetta on this bag, which makes it look brand dang new. Thanks again to Naomi and my friends at Rose Forever New York. Do me a favor, guys. If you enjoyed this video and you've seen 6, 7, 8, 9 of my videos and you haven't subscribed, like what? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, will you? Thank you. And one last thing. If y'all see my husband, girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Girl, I'm about that life of getting in a bag and staying there for a few weeks. No change in the bag right now, but I'm really thinking about changing over to that Neverfull, but man, this Cherry's bag, I love it. It brings me to tears, girl. All right, that is bag of the day. As y'all already know, I ran out of my little 10 mil that I had, the sampler that John gave me, and I went ahead and bought 50 mil Fleur because I friggin' love it. Maybe I need another spritz. Oh, I love it. And girl, it's not only new handbag day, it's new sneaker day. Yes, it is. I ordered these a couple weeks ago. They actually dropped tomorrow, but I paid a little extra because I really, really wanted these. These are the Air Jordan 1 lows, and they're in what they call a band colorway in the bread, which is black and red, right? And then you'll see the band logo. It's kind of faint, but it's an X. It's a shiny X on the back. And then there's a date, which is actually really close to being my birthday. It's one day off, but hopefully you can see it's got a date in there. I wish that was my actual birth date, but no, I was actually in high school on this day back in 1984, but that is when they banned the colorway from the game. Apparently back then in the NBA, you had to have mostly white predominantly on your sneaker, which is a dumb rule. Of course, that's all gone away now. Probably this was the catalyst that did that. This is an iconic one. They did got a little crazy there, didn't I? Okay, girl, I'm gonna put a video right here. Do me a favor and click on that video and keep on watching. New bags, new sneakers. It's just a real good day, guys. Just a real good day. Biatch.